Christmas tree. Kaylin, let her tear it. She'll tear it. Yeah, she know how to do it.
Yay! Keep going.
Baby doll. Press it. Press it right here, Kyla.
Press it.
She could be beating it up.
Baby? You got a baby?
Say what's up, baby. Say what's up, baby. What do you say?
You want to take it out? You want to take it out?
What do you say, Kylan?
You welcome.
Did you want this one?
Come here.
Kyle.
I knew you was gonna act right.
She like that.
Baby. Are you a baby?
Does that
Are
thing
you a
really work?
baby?
It is working. We're going to see in a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm testing it out.
Pick up the paper, Maya.
Kaylin?
Let me get you a bag to put it in.